So we are now going to be starting to trade some binary option live. If you see this as a recording, you can join me every single day. Just make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification, and you never lose a live session from me. Also, if you want to copy what I'm doing, make sure you join this broker you see here with the link you find below the video. There you also find a promo code that gives you 200% on your first deposit. Okay. Now, sorry for that. Now I'll just promote this live stream a little and we will get started. So just bear with me while I do so. Also, I'll check that everything are in order, that we are live and everything looks good. Also, I'm setting up my extra computer so I can follow the chat while we are live. And welcome to everyone coming in. Tell me if you have been trading till now and how things are going, and also present yourself. Now let's see. Hey Justin, good morning. Good to see you. Now, you have found one already. I just need to log in, so I'll check. Let me just close down some of these old things here. So, you did say this one here, 98%, that is even very decent. Personally, I can't. Okay. Yeah, not there. Cool. Just waking up here now. Did sleep a little longer, so I did rush to get into this live session today. For me, it's 8:30 in the morning, but nothing coffee can't cure. Then we have our first. I think I need to move my line a little more up, around there. And yes, good morning, Robert. For the ones that are curious, I've been taking this 5 verse challenge, Forex challenge with the robot, going slow and steady. We can go over there now. So it looks like this now. You need a target of 8% first. Then we need to pass the target of 5%. We have unlimited time, so I run the robot super safe. So here you can see, basically we are up like $6. Run the robot, like I said, I have no rush for this, but here you can see the win rate and all this for the robot. So I'll say we are doing quite good. So if you want this robot, let me know. And also, yeah, I think this would be pretty cool when we can start to build up a lot of accounts for Forex also. Something that you can just run in the background and forget about it. Just put our robots on VPS servers. Now, but it's not what we're going to talk about in this session. I just wanted to show it. We are going to talk about trading for binary option at IQCent. Now I'll see if I can find something better for us to trade. So Australian dollar against American dollar. Let's see what you can see there. Let go down. Once again, need a little time to see it, but this one will be done here, I guess. I'm looking at if can be building up something here also. I think I wait a little to see what will happen here now. Now we have, let me see, 3 here now. Let me mark it. Maybe build a one up here now, that will be, so you don't need to wait down here. I'm not trading on this line yet. No, it's not red, we need to have it green. I'm just following to see, but 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah. Let's put 200. Maybe you can trade on the next bar. You know what, I go in there. Nice entry, as long as you don't break. Bring out my good old calculator so we can measure our result for today. Seems like the first trade will be a winner. That is pretty nice. We had 1, 2, 3. I did take it, of course, early. I should have taken on next bar. That was the plan also, but okay. When you make $95, I will not complain that much. Now let's see. I'm ready again. So yes, I will make an update video a little later today about the fibers. I think it's pretty cool to take these prop challenges with the robots. Ooh, terrible entry. Terrible, but he's moving too fast. I do not believe we'll win that one. Only if we start to move up now. This entry I did not like at all. If I just got it down there, I will be very safe now. Thankfully, it looks like I'm going to win it. Yes, I'm winning it. Even with a super bad entry. Ah, no, don't counter money too early. Oh, we won. Perfect. Then we are $190. That's a good start. I see we are 6 people live. Present yourself in the chat if you want to. Everyone that's right there, I always remember everyone. And it's nice to have a community that are a little active in the chat. Gerald, hey and welcome. Abi, did I say correct? Hey and welcome, good morning for you both. Now let's see. Let's take a fast look at another one. Okay, we moved it quite far away from the one here. I think if we start to move more up here now, I will start to look for something more. I think we'll need to do that. Let's start with the cryptocurrency. No, I don't see nothing here. No, at least not with the first glitch channel. Let's see, we have, I don't even know which coin that is, most not so updated. Quant, I have no idea, never heard about. It's just two to trade there. Let's check some stocks. BMW, okay, let's take a look at that one. I concur, we take the one up there. Let's make it a red line, the thickest one. Let's make it red. Zoom in a little. CAD CF, let's take a look at that one also. That's a very nice one. We will trade that one also. Now we start to have a few lines you can follow. That is beautiful. We have a very good start to the morning. Move the line a little down there. Yes. We have an amazing morning with two winners. Now looks like we're getting down there now. Let's see. Now I just need to switch a little in between the ones we have. Let's check here. Okay. I'm in. Ooh. And of course with a bad entry. Let's move over here. I don't even want to follow that one. Let's change to 30. As long as this number stay green here, I will be happy. I refuse to look at it because the entry was terrible. I hate when I get a terrible entry. Okay, now we have 4 seconds left. Let's see. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Looks like we won that one. Perfect. Looks like today will be a great day to be trading. 285. Let's do it there again. Not this time around, but we got one. I'll take one more. It's just a few seconds difference. This time I will win with a hedge. We got a good hedge. Now let's see. Hedge is basically when I see the line get broken, I take a new trade. Yes, I had a new rule where I take my 15 seconds on the first last something, but this time around was right away, so then I did see the opportunity. So now we lost the original trade, but we won the hedge, and with that a losing trade lost us only $5, right? So then I take -5 only instead of 100, and we are still a profit of $280. So this time around was very easy to hedge because we basically broke right away. I didn't push the bottom. Then of course you can take the other way, and then we have basically a almost secure hedge. So that's a way so we can keep our losses minimal. Robert, did you do the same like me, or did you lose completely on this trade? Tell me. Now let's go back and follow this one here. I have not lost any trades here, so we can still. Let's go back to the first one we were trading. Okay, he have been down here also. So if anyone was trading this line, you would have won. How are you doing today, Robert? I remember yesterday you was not doing that hot. Okay, so you had a 1 second apart and lost both. That is hell. Yeah. So lately, no, Robert, you have not done so good. Now I'm ready here. Let's see. 8 wins, 5 losses, and that is not bad. That is not bad. Then you're up a little. And now let's see. I'm ready. Zooming in. So now let me just show one thing here super fast. Let's see. Mm. If you're curious about, let's see, we're getting a trade here now maybe. I'm not in yet. I'm waiting patiently. Still not in. There, I got a good entry. Now while we wait for that one, let me just show you something. If you have interest about my Forex robot I was talking about, take a look at this video here. After this session, make sure you check this video. I'm taking a challenge for Forex there, a prop challenge with the robot. I'm going to give an update again later today on that one. It's running in nice profit, and I'm pretty sure I will pass that challenge. So if you're interested to follow me there, you can do so too. This robot is actually pretty amazing. It's a robot you need to pay for, okay? But yeah. Now let's see. We got up another $95. 375. This line have served me well till now. Let us check BMW, the one we lost. That one is going up now, so you can just close that one. What's going on this line? We are far away here. Let's just continue to see. Let's take a look at Brett. I think we... do we see something here? No. We do not. Let's take a look here. Nothing. And Lufthansa. Nothing. Okay, then we'll check at cryptocurrency and stocks. Let's check Cooper, we did just check. Let's check Brett. If it was not for the small spike here, I would have followed this line here. I don't like when I see a small break of line. Check gold. Gold, we have a line down there, but it's a little far away. But as we are so early in the session, I think we can mark that one and keep it for later. It's not super beautiful, but it's good enough for us. Let's take the tickets line there, and we will follow that one. Now the one we are trading, we are still a little far away. Let's see. Let's continue looking. Let's take Hong Kong. Let's take a look at this one here. I'll say we don't have nothing around on this one. Till now, by the way, for the ones for the another broker for binary option, no one has shown interest, so then we just keep it to IQ Sense for now. I was thinking about doing 2 live sessions, but no one has shown interest, so then I just keep to this one. Now let's see. Let's check switch rounds. Nothing. UK 100. We do actually maybe. I'll say maybe on this one. Let's take a look there. It's not perfect. I see a little. I think we need to have it down there. We just have 1, 2 tests, but good enough to follow at least for now. Might be something. If I can get 1 test, because we can say that this one did hit. So then we have 1, 2, 3. So if we can get 1 more test here, we can go in and start trading on this line there. Let's check more. USA. There also we have a nice line in the bottom. We need to wait to see, of course, if we can come down there again, but that one is pretty darn good. Let's mark that. So now we start to have a few options for the future at least. Let's check the 500 also. Maybe we have 3 in the top there. Let's take a look. That might be something. Let's mark it around there. Let's take the red line and the thickest. So then we have 1, 2, 3. So if you can get 1 more test on this line, we will have something. So let's come back to that one. That can be is the closest one to have some trading on. And let's check the tech one also. There we have a more or less the same story up there. Let's see if we put on here. No, that's the only at top. That one also can be something for the future, just a maybe for now. But let's mark it and follow it. So then we have a few options. USA 30. Oh yeah, I see now. But the line is so good that I think I will trade it, by the way, even with 75. I will trade it, and if no, I will go for it. So I think I'll take this one. If I don't have nothing to trade at the current moment, if you come down, I will trade on this one. Because when you can see something so beautiful like this, then I will go for it. Let me check gold. What happened there? We are far away. Let's check this one. We have 1, 2, 3. Would I call this a test? I would say no. So we'll need to wait a little. And the tech one, we have 1, 2. I think. Do you have something in the past? No. So yeah, looks like at least we can have something on these two, but we need a couple of tests before we can start. Australia, Angola, New Zealand. Okay, that's this one here. Let's take a look. Yeah, we were close for a little while, I see, but now we start to go down again, so yeah. And why I have this one open? Okay. Then we have, and this one, what was that again? Okay. But then we have a few lines to follow at least. That's nice. Now, I would still not call this a test. Let me see if I can move the line a little to make it. No. I'm not liking it that much for now. We need, I will say we have just 1.5 because I see this one is also not completely up. And let's say the US 500, just two tests also. And the 75% one is still far away. Gold is far away. UK 500, let's see. I thought I had checked that one. There. Maybe I did skip that one. Now let's see. For me, I see that we have a spike down here. Maybe that was, I broke a little, yeah. If I'm going to trade here now, I will need to see at least 1 or 2 more tests on the green line that keep it. So I'm a little, always when I see a small break, I don't like it that much. But thank you for the tip, always appreciated. So now let me see how we are with the ratio of likes today. We have just 4 likes. That is not that many. Now we got one more. Thank you so much. Okay, now let's see if we can get a tested line now. We stopped a little below. Oh, but here it broke also. So that's why we need to wait till we get enough tries. We just have 1, 2. I was waiting for 3 more, no, 2 more, and we basically never got it. So then we just remove the tech one. Let's check the 500. Here is the same story. Here we just have 1, 2, we have 3. We are waiting for 1 more. So let's see how that will turn out. And United States 30. That's just a 75%, but when we have a line like this, I will take advantage. Because I love to see when we go up like this and we are away from the line from 449, and we come back again 6:30, basically like 2 hours later, and he still respects the line. That shows me that this line is something that I will trade. Even if for 60 I would have traded this line, I think. I don't see as a big risk. Because if I win, I still make money. Yes, I need to make 2 wins to cover basically 1 loss, but if I get 1 loss, I would stop, by the way. So now let's continue. We are getting closer now to activate our line here now. We just need 1 more try. Just what you can do, Robert, if you have me in WhatsApp, send me your information and I will send it to my account manager. he will speed it up for you. But you can also just talk with the support also. They will help you. Now that's it. But best just give me your information after this session. Now that's it. Yeah, do that. Okay. We still, I think I would like to see a test of this line here now before I start to trade, only because of this small break here. How is things going over here? We're still keeping a little distance. And gold, what was the story with gold? Okay, we are far away. Also checking if something else is building up here. So maybe up here now. It's not perfect, but if I can get a line that can cover it all, I approve it. Let's see, take the thickest line, and if I move it up to just cover that line, let's see. I broke, by the way, so then it's okay, then we don't need to. Up here, are we building something up there? Let's take a look. Actually, I can just do like this. Let's move. We broke more up, by the way, so then it's nothing to think about there either. Then yeah, I always only trade OTC. The reason for that is because it's paying the most. If you take a look here now, the other ones they pay like 60. You see, 60. OTC they pay like 89, 98, and we have had a great luck with OTC on my live sessions. So we keep basically just to that, and we trade on 30 seconds. That is the max we can do on OTC. At least for getting these biggest amounts. Now we are getting close here now. I want to see at least one test of the green line that keeps to the line. If we do so, I think I will take a chance on this line. It's not a perfect as it's broken a little here, but let's see if that was just a glitch. And you're welcome. Now let's see. So today we are up $375. It's decent. I always are targeting at least 500, but we have still around 30 minutes left of this live session, so I think we should easily manage that. As long as we don't go into a losing streak, of course. So today we just a little cap for what we've done today. As you can see, we lost one trade on BMW. So we basically did a hedge. So we lost basically just $5 on the trade. Now let's continue. Now let's see. Da, 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 da. Robert, while I'm waiting, I'm sending in directly now to my account manager. I have given my account manager your information just right now, so I think he will speed it up for you. Sadly, I see my account manager have not been live for the last 20 hours, but at least I've sent it. When he see, he always fix things for me right away. So then we just need to wait for him, or if they can manage to do it without that. So just keep me posted, Robert, and we will get your account verified fast. Sure. Now let's see. Okay, so there we see why we need to get, you see here, we wanted to see one more test, and we see he came down here, but he broke a little below, so that only shows us that we need to be careful when we are trading lines like this. So we always, when we see a small break, we need to have at least one test. And we see when we come down here that we would have lost if you go in again. That's why we always need to wait and see that, confirm that the line is still there. So now I will just remove this line completely, because I'm not going to trade on this line. I'll actually just remove like this. Now let's check US at 500. We don't have nothing. Oh, you got lucky on it. Australian dollar against New Zealand. Let's take a look there. Okay, we have something new here now. But when I opened it, it broke, so then not much we can do. So then I'll stay away from that one also. I've been quite lucky today to not been on any broken lines, just one, but I did hedge, so then it's okay. Always I keep an eye on that if it's making some new type of lines. If it was not for the spike here, I would have been following around here, I guess. But this one breaks everything. Let's take a look at gold. Here also same story. I would be following this area here if it was not for that we did break below here. USA 30, we're going far and far away. I think we just can start to look for something else. I will just spin a little down. Let's start with New Zealand. Let me take a look here. Let me see if I can make a line there without it get broken. Yeah, little. I'm always have this. That's why I use the thickest line, because if I can manage to get it within thickest line, then I go for it. And let me see if I take it to the bottom there, do we still cover these two? And we do not. Then I think I will not trade on this line there. Let's continue. Dollar against Swiss francs. Let's take a look. Let's go more down. There we have a quite good one, I see. Dollar against Japanese yen. Let's make ourselves a line there. We take it to the green and the thickest line. We have 1, 2, 3, at least 4, well, 5. So this is good enough. We will trade on this line. For me, it looks like this is the best we have at the current moment. We had one up here. I see it got broken. So this is obviously a pair that is quite good. Okay, CAD self, let's take a look at that one. That's this one here. So we're getting close there. Yes, we are. Now we've been away for a little while, Justin, so we should, before we should not trade on the first try of the line. Wait for one test and then we take it. Okay, so let me just, let me see. Are we far away? Let's just remove this one. Let's remove the ones we don't trade more. So Justin, remember, just wait one time. We need one test. Okay, there we had a test. Okay, we can. I will say now we can trade on it. We had the test here, and we can trade on this one. So let's see. In there. Take one there. Now let's see. I did no hedge. Now let's see if I'm lucky, Robert. I have done. See if I lose both or how this will turn out. Okay, I won the hedge, so then I'm happy. So then I lost just $5 in this one. So I have done 2 hedge trade today, and I have got good out of it. So then I lost just $5 on this trade. So for me, a hedge is, I'm winning more often on hedge than I lose on it. So I see it as a more like a extra trade where I have a high probability. Yes, if you lose both, it's super crappy, you lose. But yeah. How do you time your hedge, Robert? When you took it, because we did go quite far down. Because you can see at least I did quite easily win this hedge here, because you can see I entered here and I entered the hedge directly and we closed it below, so okay. Still, this line can still be traded, but now I would like to see it at least 2 times. So if we get 2 more tests online, I will start trading on it again. Let's check the dollar Japanese yen. A little far away. By the way, everyone that have interest about the fibers thing here, make sure you check that out. We are now starting to use robots to trade on Forex, and you can see we had a little here of us making the robots ready, but from here we basically have been going upwards. I'm taking this slow and steady, so I make sure I'm going to win this challenge. So then when I get this one funded, I'm planning to make more and more and more, and I will do also on other like FTM Moetics, but this one was quite friendly. So I talked to them, they approved the robots and everything, so here we can run safely. So that's something new. I'm starting on my challenge, starting on my channel, if I can talk properly here now. So that's something new I'm starting with, and if you want to join me on this journey, make sure you see the video I posted a little while ago in the chat, and I will come with an update video on this later today. So this is something cool, I think, so we can start to get a few 100,000, and basically to get a $5,000 account, the cost of joining this is just $39. So it's a very low cost. It's better actually than trade on your own account in some ways, because you build up here, you basically get $5,000 with a $39 account. And if you don't manage to pass this challenge, you would, by the way, have lost if you had used your own money on your own account. So this is a very great way to get a bigger account faster. And not only that, if you start just with this small account of 5,000 and you pass, after you can even get more for each 10% you manage to build up your account. They give you extra, so you can build up to unlimited basically. So yeah. And of course, who don't likes when you can just throw a robot on it and just forget about it. That's what I have done, and that basically you can see the robot is doing its thing. I'm running it like I said, super safe. I could have had easy 3 times more, but I run it so safe, so I make sure I will pass the challenge, and as we have a limited time to pass it, I see no reason to rush with it. So yeah, that's something new on my channel. So if you want to follow me on this one also, I will keep you posted with new videos here also when it's something to give, and that is something today. So today I will make a small video about this, and I think actually have a few running trades also. But let's come back to this. Then Robert, I think you should stick with just without hedge for now. Maybe I have been lucky with my hedge then, because I know you start to have a good control of the trading part. I see that from your signals. Okay, now let's see. I would like to see 2 more trials on this line before I start to there we got a test. No, I did see it below. Don't show here, you see it a little. When I zoom in, you see. So that means I will not trade on this line. Let's just remove it all over. Let's see if we have something else here. How are we in time, by the way? We have now been trading for soon 50 minutes, so we have like 11 minutes left. So I think we still have a possibility. Let's see here now. I think we have something at the bottom here. Let's just move this one down here. Let's make it a green line. We have a test of the line now, I see. It looks like he broke it. I was going to say that we need one more test. Let's see now how this turns out. Maybe I can move the line a little down. Let's see if I move it to there. But then we don't have any out. No, let's just remove this all over. We are not trading that. Okay. Then and here we don't have nothing currently. Maybe you're building something here. Let me see if I can mark these 2 in one. Let's take one there. Let's see if we can mark it so we can cover this too. No, we can't do that, then we just don't even try. Let's continue. Yeah. And that is with my own robot. This one I can't use on this challenge just right now, because it will take a little too long time, because it will have a bigger drawdown. But yes, I will make a back testing, like I said there. I'll do so. I will make a new video about my own robot that you can get for free. I'm still, the thing is, this one is using like 99 indicators, strategies. So it's a robot that will get smarter the more we use it. So I'm still working on it to remove the ones that, now we have version 1 that is very profitable, but it will be even better and better the more we use it. That's the cool thing with that robot. So I will give update about that one also. But for the challenge I'm doing, I'm using a paid robot. Now let's see. Let's check the Swedish crowns. I don't think I opened that one today. And as you can see, it's cold here in Brazil. I don't have that many warm long arm here in Brazil. I always go with short arm, but now currently it's cold. So if you have paid attention to my live sessions, I think I use this one every single day this week. Under my session, get warm in the days, then I throw this to the side and I use short arms. But right now I need to have this long arms. So for the ones that pay attention to these type of things. I think we maybe have something here. Let's take a look. I think we need one more try, but we will mark it at least. So you have 1, 2, and 3. If you can get one more try on this one here, we can start trading on this one. And you are welcome, Robert. Now let's see. So for the ones that follow my trades now, make sure that you do not trade on the next. We are waiting for one more test on this line before we start trading on it. So I will just wait patiently and see if we get one more try before I get started. Also, see, we close it 2 times in the bottom here, so I will mark that one also. Here we need a few more tests, of course, but just something to keep an eye on. So here we need 2 more tests. But if you can trade something in between here, that would be super cool. So now I will call this. No, I will not do that. I was going to say I will call it a test, but it was a small space in between, so I think I want to see one more go up there before I want to deal with it. So yes, make sure you follow. I will make a video later today about this challenge here. We are doing very, very good, and there I will give a little more in detail the plan we're going to do going forward there. Also, I have a little specific setup, so for the ones that choose to use the robot, just ask and I will tell you. Basically, I run the robot basically almost as it comes. I just have a small detail I've done different. IDC was a test, so I will take now the next one up So I have activated the line up here. I can change the color down here so it's not confusion. Let's make it a blue line. We are not trading this one yet. When I turn it green, we are trading on the one in the bottom also. So this don't show, but it was a test up here, so I will trade on the next. Let's see. Come on. Oh, what happened? Why did I push? Sometimes it's like I push the button and it's not me doing it. It's crazy. So I think I will lose this trade just because of a super bad entry. And of course we're breaking up. And I did one more mistake. I forgot to change my timer for the hedge. I should have changed it to 15. But maybe I will win by the way as it's pushing so much up. Let's see. If I had changed for 15, I would have won the hedge. Now let's see. I think I'll win the hedge by the way. Yeah, I will do. So that means we lost just $5 on this one also, thanks to our hedge. So once again, for me at least, hedge are working good. I will now just remove $5 from my account, so then I'm up $365 for the day. So pretty decent, I will say. Then I don't. Swedish crowns had something in the past here. Did not get it here, so then I don't think I need to mark that. How we are doing on this one? We are a little far away. Let's check my time. We have been trading 57 minutes, so I think if no one have a signal for me now, I think we can just call it quit, because we don't have time to find something more. So basically today was I would say a decent day. It was a day with I think I did 2 hedge, so I could have lost more, $200. I would still have been up for the day. I would still have a profit of 160 something, but that's completely fine. As I did hedge, we did manage to turn this day into a $365 profit. I'm always going for my 500, but every day we turn profit, that is good in my book. So that's it for this live session. I hope you did enjoy. I will be back again tomorrow same time. And if you want to see me trade live on other brokers, then just you need to support me by just joining that brokers and let me know that you have done so. And I will say, yes, let's go for it. It's that simple. I don't need so many. I just need to see that I will have activity or trading on other brokers also. But for now, I see many are liking this broker. We're doing very good here. So this is something we'll do every single day for free forever. So I will always have a live session for this one. So that's it. I hope you all did enjoy, and let's make some more money together tomorrow. Have an amazing day.